Ala! are the Tribo from Mindanao Cultural Dance Group of Village showcasing Mindanao culture. And this time, you will witness a glimpse of indigenous dances of Mindanao.
Alietus Luco Gaster, Luco meaning white and Gaster meaning belly. That's why they call them white-bellied sea eagle. Now white-bellied sea eagle are commonly found near coastal areas of Australia, India, and Philippines. Now white-bellied sea eagle are the second largest eagle here in the Philippines. Their wingspan can reach up to 2.2 meters or 7.2 feet. So ganyan kalapad ang kanyang mga bakbak, lalo na pag nasa adult size na silang exposed. Now guys, in the Philippines, we have 51 species of raptors. Crocodile Park Zoo, we have 4 species of raptors. Namely, Tabra Milikay, the white-bellied sea eagle, the Philippines. There you go! At syempre, ang kanyang younger brother na si JJ. Pero wait lang folks, lalabas din yan si JJ, okay? And once again folks, ayan na! Yeah! Once again folks, this is Mr. Bill and JJ, our Philippine great hornbill with a scientific name of Buceros mindanensis. Minda meaning Mindanao, and ensis meaning belonging to, therefore, belonging to Mindanao. As you can see guys, their bills or ang kanilang mga tuka comprises 30% of its body, and also they have long and beautiful eyelashes po. Kung makikita nyo ang kanilang mga piluka sa malapitan guys. Now ngayong hapon, magpapakitang-kina sila gamit ang kanilang mga tuka. But before that, I have a job for you to follow muna, okay? At the count of 3, you need to shout fly. Okay, let's practice first. 1, 2, 3, and... Yeah! Kayo talaga. Okay, one more pa daw. Bigyan nyo ako ng mas energy. Okay, wait lang folks, ha? Okay, nasa nagpili ng bakos. Okay, wait lang natin. Okay, ayan na. Mukhang okay naman ata. Okay, now guys, at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... Ayan at mukhang ready ng ating mga bisita, mga kuya. Kuya Jimar, Kuya Siren, ready na ba ang ating mga kalaw? Now folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilis lang to. At the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, and... What a perfect catch, Mr. Bill and very lucky because they're actually in May season. So nanliligaw po ang lalaking galaw na gumagawa niyan. Mas maraming insekto na nag-catch ni lalaking galaw ay mas mataas ang chance na sasagutin ni ate girl ang galaw. Did you know that they call them monogamous? Monogamous meaning, once they find a partner in the wild, they will stay with them forever. So, naul talaga po. So, buti pa sa ating mga galaw, may forever, no? No, sa mga single ladies natin dyan, kung naghahanap kayo ng forever, andito na po ang ating mga trainers, ha? Ay, mga trainers, mga galaw. So, magbabagkita ang gilas sa ating mga galaw, guys. Now, folks, prepare your cameras. Mabilisan to. At the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, and... fly! And that is our Philippine Great Hornbill, or also known as the Kalaw, the alarm clock of the rainforest, because they make noise every morning, noon, and afternoon. Wait lang, pababilikin lang muna natin si JJ and Kay Masket, folks! Palakpakan po natin sila at siyempre ng following players na sina Kuya Jimar at Kuya Cyril. Ayan, uwi na sila. Baka si Kuya Richie ang kakain sa seeds, hindi na si Barak. Okay, joke lang. Okay, ayan na. Now, sa mga hindi mabigyan ng seeds, you will be having your own time with your animal ambassador later. Okay? Alright, okay, wait lang natin si Kuya Richie natin. Okay, ayan na. Alright, once again, dahan-dahan lang mga kilos. Handy, gentle lang po. Okay? Ayan na. Okay na Kuya Richie. Okay naman sige folks. This is Barak, our blue and gold na to. With the scientific name of Ara-Ararauna. Now Barak, sumot. And baklaran natin psychodactyl guitar for folks. Doing the front, doing the back, allowing them to grab items so Mark and boy left, right and Papa, good boy. Barak at dahil dyan, may high five ka kay Kuya Richie. One more high five. Alright, syempre napakasweet ito ni Barak guys. Nang Barak, kiss ko Kuya Richie daw guys, kiss. One more lang sa kabilang PC naman Kuya Richie. Alright, opo sa PC lang yan. Si Barak isang eco warrior din. Who here segregates their trash? Sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate? Taas kamay? Taas kamay, sino sa inyo dito ang nagsesegregate? Hala, walang nagsesegregate. Sila ate at kuya lang, yun ba? Hindi kayo nagsesegregate, folks. Naku po, ngayong hapon, tuturuan tayo ng Barak paano mag-segregate ang kanyang basura. So, anong nandiyan Kuya Richie? Ating basurahan, we have a biodegradable bin. Siyempre, check na Barak, gumagana ba? And also, we have a non-biodegradable bin. At siyempre, check ulit yan Barak kung gumagana ba. Okay, and alright, mukhang okay naman Kuya Richie na mukhang ready na si para Kuya Richie at the count of 3 na mga basura 1, 2, 3 and go. Kinukuha ni Barak folks sa piece of plastic. Siyempre saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. Good boy. And this time, siyempre plastic naman. Siyempre saan nilalagay ang plastic? To the non-biodegradable bin. May dalawang basura boy. And this time, if dahon, siyempre saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. At one piece of trash alam boy. Siyempre leaf, dahon, saan nilalagay ang dahon? To the biodegradable bin. Palakpakan po natin si Barangay Galing. Alright, now, sige nga kung naghihiling kayo kanina. Anong meaning ng ara-ara raw na? O, bilis ni Mama. Okay, anong meaning ng ara-ara raw na, Ma'am? Genius. Alright, now folks, at dahil galing pa ng Brazil si Barak, magpapaalam na po si Barak guys. Okay, na mga mom and sir, mga ate, mga kuya, wave bye-bye to Barak po, wave bye-bye. And wave bye-bye dito sa kabila, wave bye-bye. Alright ka Barak, mag-bye-bye ka na kasi nag-bye-bye na sila sa'yo Barak. Wave bye-bye daw. Wave bye-bye na sila Barak, bye-bye. Wave bye-bye daw. Apoy, Barak bye-bye. Apoy, Kuya Richie, hey, Barak Kuya Richie. Hala, Barak wave bye-bye. Ikaw talaga Barak, siyempre i-highlight natin yung mga kasamahan mo. Okay Barak? O sige, wag na lang natin tingin. Okay na. Now once again folks, that is Barak, our blue and gold na go. With Kuya Richie, malapakan po natin silang dalawa guys. Thank you so much Barak at siyempre. Ayan! Body up! So body up you boy! Pang first chaser! Pang iron gun! So sikat shot! And bottle of good boy! Jumbo now! Now boy, ang lahat natin yung madalas yung table na. And ako yung bottle of good boy! Ayan! Folks, hindi lang natin ito si Uno. Medyo mahihayin kasi ito, guys. Okay, once again, we are still working with wild animals. As much as you want to train them, we don't want to change their behavior. Kung ayaw talaga mag-perform ni Uno dyan, at si Kuya Richie na lang ating paagat din sa kahoy, folks, ha? Para may makita tayong talent ngayong hapon. Okay. Okay, kapili na Uno. Ay, once again, folks, hindi lang natin si Uno, ha? Alright. Ayan na. Now, guys, the reason that there is bear in their name is because they are capable of this standing up with their two hind. Ayan na po, napakita na ni Uno. Thank you so much, Uno, for showing your talent here. Now, folks, Manpac Palabok Palawan Bearcat, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Yes po, pero syempre wag lang natin sila nakita pag makagat pa kayo, maka-issue pa tayo. Pero we promise you guys, their poop and their feet actually smells like fresh popcorn. Omnivores po pa lang sila, kumakain sila ng gulay, prutas, at karne. At ngayong hapon, Kuya Richie, anong pinapakain mo kalimutan? Pakita mo sa kanila, Kuya? Hindi, Kuya. Hindi pa naman, Kuya. Okay, pakita mo sa kanila, Kuya. Ano yun, guys? Saging or bananas, which are foods once again, omnivores sila, ha? Na may tanong ako sa inyo, anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng herbs or grasses? Herbivore, parang habang karne or meat. Carnivore, habang herbs, grasses at karne. Omnivores, ito, last question. Anong klaseng hayop ang kumakain ng fruits or prutas? Oh. Ano? Sino ka? May narinig akong fruit salad sa likod. Hindi fruit salad, ha? Parang nagtaas kami. Bibigyan lang ng jacket ni Kuya Richie. Oh, Kuya Richie, ready na ba yung jacket mo doon? Mas sinanagtas ka ba eh? Ano wala? Assignment na lang? Kasi Brian ka ba doon? Taas-taas ka kamuti ang Brian, ha? Okay. Wala! O sige folks, tuturuan ko na lang kayo. No guys, the correct answer is frugivore. Okay, sige nga, nakikinig kayo. Ano yun? Ayan, frugivore ang hayop na kumakain ng fruits or prutas. Once again, frugivore. Hindi panjibar, ha? Okay, now, Daddy is back home na. Siyempre, Uno is, Kuya Richie, let's proceed na ba, Kuya Richie? Sure? Are you sure? Okay, now, folks, let's proceed na sa ating next animal ambassador. Wala talaga yung antok nyo dito, guys. Alam nyo ba, folks, ito yung artista sa amin, folks. Ang itinitilian at ikinakikiligan ng ating kababaihan, the fan favorite. Kuya Toto, at syempre, ating mga magkakagdag tour guide sa sina Ate Zoe at syempre, Ate Christine. What's your folks? My name is Kuya Boy. We are Davao Crocodile Park and Zoo, working with nature for a better future. Mabuhay mo kayo! Dagan kaayong salamat sa inyong tanan.